Without recourse, the legal clause that cancels liability and reverses financial burden. What if one phrase, just 2 words, could legally cancel your financial liability and shift the entire burden back onto the bank? That phrase is without recourse. In this episode, we're breaking down the power of this clause, why banks use it, and how understanding it could flip your entire financial reality. The phrase without recourse holds tremendous legal and financial significance under both the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, and banking law. When used in conjunction with the endorsement of a negotiable instrument, particularly a promissory note, it releases the endorser from any future liability should the instrument default or fail to perform. This clause is recognized under UCC Section 3 to 415, which affirms that an individual may endorse a negotiable instrument without recourse, thereby severing personal liability. Practically speaking, signing without recourse on a promissory note or other negotiable instrument nullifies any attempt by the recipient to seek repayment or performance from the original signatory. In commercial banking, this clause is routinely used by financial institutions themselves, particularly when they transfer instruments to the Federal Reserve through the discount window or other clearing systems. It is rarely disclosed to consumers, yet it remains perfectly lawful for the public to use. A borrower who signs loan documents without recourse is still issuing the instrument, but is disclaiming all downstream liability. If the bank accepts the instrument and monetizes it, either through resale, bundling, or deposit into internal accounts, they have forfeited any claim for further enforcement against the borrower, provided the endorsement was accepted. This clause is an insurance policy embedded within commercial language. Its consistent application can not only protect the issuer from secondary claims, but also force institutions into either rejecting the agreement outright or accepting the liability shift. Either result benefits the knowledgeable party. In a world of obscure financial obligations, without recourse is one of the few absolute defenses available in commercial law. Footnote: this section explains how the legal phrase, without recourse, functions as a complete shield against financial liability once a negotiable instrument is transferred.